Hello, my name is Darren Woodfork and I'm an attorney here in Scottsdale, Arizona. In today's video, I'm going to talk about one of the best defenses to DUI here in Arizona. First, I got to say, obviously, is don't drink and drive. It's not worth it. You can get a ton of trouble, obviously, so don't drink and drive. But if you are at a party or dinner or something like that and you're driving home and you feel like you're too intoxicated to drive, one of the things, and is a big defense and a very good defense here in Arizona, is what's called actual physical control. And that basically means is you go to sleep in your car. Now, the best way to do that, or the best factors in a defense, is if you pull over into a parking spot, centered into the parking spot, somewhere in a, like a strip mall parking lot or something like that. Turn off the car, put your keys on the floor in the passenger seat or in the glove compartment box, and then get into the back seat of your car and go to sleep. That's going to be if the police find you like that, that's going to be the best defense to an actual physical control defense right there. Every case I've had where those facts have happened, we've won. The case that has been actually dismissed. But that's the best way to defend a DUI case, like I said, is if you're in the back seat of the car asleep and your keys are in the glove compartment in the front. Now you contrast to the other type of physical control case that we will not win, and that's if you fall asleep at the stoplight with your foot on the brake and the car's running and everything. And you'd be surprised at how many times the police find people at a stoplight with their foot on the brake and they're slumped over the steering wheel, passed out, or asleep. So that's the other end of the spectrum as far as what actual physical control is. There's a lot of cases in Arizona case law where the person fell asleep in the driver's seat. They had the car running for the air conditioning, and the people were found guilty of DUI, physical control, because they had control over the vehicle based on those factors of being in the driver's seat. The car was running, even though the car was running for the air conditioning. The courts look at that as actual physical control to drive while you're intoxicated. So anyways, again, I hope that helps. Like I said, that's what's called actual physical control here in Arizona. There's a lot of other factors that go into the defense, but again, think of those two extremes when you think about the actual physical control. The sleeping in your backseat of your car versus slumped over at the stoplight with your foot on the brake. So anyways, hope that helps. If you have any questions about any type of criminal case, any type of motion to seal an old criminal case, or if you've been in any car accident or you know anybody who's been in any car accident, please check out my website, woodforklaw.com, or email me at darrenw@msn.com. And you can also contact me by phone at 602-284-3035. I'll leave all that in the description here. And that'll be it. So anyways, thank you as always, and have a good new year, happy new year, and have a prosperous 2025. Thanks.